everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can navigate your way through the provider management feature. To have access to this feature, you need to ensure that you have enterprise application mode and either the provider management system user role or the user role access of account management. To access the provider management feature, you need to switch your application mode from service to enterprise. You're then going to click on administration and click on groups. You're then going to click on your group name. You are now in the provider management area. You will land on your group details, your list of service providers. The provider approvals tab will give you access to all of the provider information, and the service approvals tab will give you access to the service approval tabs. Switching back to the provider approvals tab, when clicking on the approval, it will open up to additional tabs. So this is where you will update your CCS device expiry. You can update your provider name, address, contact information. If you're updating your financial details for the provider, if you are cancelling your CCS or uploading any supporting documents, you can do it in the provider approval tab. When completing this action in the provider approval tab, this will be submitted to CCS. Switching over to the service approvals tab, the same thing will apply. If you click on one of your service approvals, if you have more than one, it will open up all of the tabs in relation to the service. The provider is for the group, the service is for the individual service. So again, you can update your service name, you can update your childcare places. This is where you would complete your temporary closure. If you are permanently closing, if you want to increase your ACCS cap percentage, update information for your childcare finder, update the service location of your records, and you may even want to update your bank account details for the service individually. For further information on our provider management feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.